So this is a short video to show you how to use Blackboard Collaborate. So all you have to do is log in your Blackboard course. You go to the left. At the bottom, you have a menu called Course Tools. You click on that. And then you look for Blackboard Collaborate Ultra. You click on that. And you're in. And all you have to do is to find an open session. So here I made a test session for this video. You click on it, and then you click on Join Session. And that's it, you're in. So the only difference is the first time you log in, Blackboard Collaborate will ask you to set up your audio, set up your camera. But once that's done, you're in, and you can participate in the session. So you can open your audio, you can open your camera if you choose to, raise your hand. There are a few additional menus here. You can chat, you can share some documents here. And finally, at the end, here you can leave the session once you're done. Okay? You can do that from a computer, desktop computer, as in this video, but you can also do that from your phone, either using the browser in your phone or the Blackboard app. So that's it. I hope you have a good experience with these online classes, and stay safe.